Kenwood Chef XL because this is the biggest size available. So the capacity is 6.7 liter. Blah blah blah. 3 attachment. And yes, 6.7 is really big. It's bigger than my head. So I'm guessing my head is about 5 liter. So this comes with 3 attachments, the balloon whisk, which I don't know how to take it out yet. The beater, the K beater, K for Kenwood, or if your name starts with K, like K for Jackie. The dough hook, which you use to knead dough, or it's Halloween, you can use it to cosplay as Jack Sparrow. Spatula, or a decaf. There's a guide which I have to read because I don't know how to get this out. And a splash guard. So this allows you to just add your thingy, your flour without it splashing out.